My empties basket is completely overflowing. I cannot put another product in here. It is time for me to go through all of my empties with you. Let's get started. I've got a lot of products to go through, so I'm gonna try to go through everything really quickly, but everything will be linked down below in the order that I share it and in categories. We're gonna go ahead and start with skincare, and first up, cleanser-wise, I have 3 of my Elemis cleansers. I talk about this cleanser all the time. It's one of my favorite. It's very, very gentle, but it really, really cleanses the skin, and I love that it has a pump. In the toner and essence category, I've got 4 different products to share with you. First up, I have 2 of the Glow Recipe Ultra Fine Mist. I love these. These are definitely one of my favorite products. I just realized they changed the packaging. See how this is a little bit clear and this one's more like pink opaque. Same product, I'll put it down below. I really, really highly recommend this. I use it for so many reasons. Then we have the Chanel Hydra Beauty Micro Liquid Essence. I really did like this. I thought it felt amazing on the skin. Will I repurchase it? Absolutely, but is it my absolute favorite? No. Then we have the Hourglass Restoring Essence. I did like this as well. It actually reminded me a lot of the SK2 Essence, but my favorite essence is this one by La Mer. This one's probably my absolute favorite. I just feel like it feels amazing on the skin, and I can feel the hydration when I use this. I really love this one. In the cleansing balm category, I have the Colleen Rothschild one and the like sample trial size of the Clinique Take the Day Off. I love both of these, but I will say the Clinique has been my current go-to. I only have 1 product in the exfoliation category. These are the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. Highly recommend these. This is gonna give you that chemical exfoliation. You can do it daily. It is gentle enough for that, but depending on your skin type, you might only be able to do it a couple times a week, but I love this. I feel like it just leaves my skin feeling fresh and clean and smooth. In the serum category, I've got several to go through. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the SkinCeuticals Vitamin C, Vitamin E Ferraluca. This is one of my favorites. It's a splurge, but I love it. Speaking of SkinCeuticals, this is the nighttime version of their Vitamin C. So I use this one during the day, this one at night. These are splurge-worthy products in my opinion. Another SkinCeuticals product is the HA Intensifier. You should have some sort of hyaluronic acid in your skincare, and this is a really good one. Is it like a must-have? No, I think the other 2 products from SkinCeuticals I would prefer over this one, but this is still a really good product, and this is another must-have when it comes to SkinCeuticals. This is the Phyto Corrective Gel. I love this. Love, 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 love. If you have any sort of skin damage or you forget sunscreen every once in a while, you need this product. And then the last 2 serums that I have is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. This is like an oldie, classic, good serum. I just love this product, and it's just a really good product. And then this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. I love this product as well. It definitely gives like your skin a glowy feel, and I feel like it adds that burst of hydration that you need, and it just layers really, really nicely with other products. I have 1 lip product. It is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. You guys know this is an all-time favorite, so I'm probably always gonna have at least 1 of these in my empties, so highly recommend that. And I have 2 masks to share with you. I talk about this one all the time. It is the Intense Hydrating Mask, I believe is the name of it. Highly recommend this. I do have a coupon code for this, so I'll put it down below. And then this is the Glycol Lactic Radiance Renewal Mask from Ren. One of my absolute favorites. You gotta be exfoliating at least once a week, and this is one of my favorite masks to do that with. In the moisturizing category, I've got several to share with you here. First up, it is the Paula's Choice Intense Repair Cream. I did like this. Wasn't obsessed with it, but I did like it. Would I buy it again? Sure, I think Paula's Choice is a really good brand. Next up is the Tatcha, is it called the Dewy Skin Cream? One of my all-time favorite moisturizers. I love, 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 love this one. It is so, so good. It just feels amazing when I put it on my skin, so highly recommend it. Then we have the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, also another favorite. I'm just a really big fan of Elemis in general, so I do like this one. Is it a top 3? No, but I do like it. But this is definitely a top 3 for me. This is the Triple Lipid Restore from SkinCeuticals. Again, this is a splurge product, but I love it. I would say that these 2 are my faves. Next, we're gonna dive into the makeup section slash sunscreen. I really don't have a lot in this category, so it'll go pretty quickly. I have 2 of my Clinique foundations. Love this foundation. This is definitely one of my go-to year round. It can be lightweight, it can be buildable, so you kind of, you know, it's just one of my favorites and it's affordable, so love that. Then we have one of my favorite concealers. This is the one by Clé de Peau. I'm in the shade Almond. I love it. This is a splurge product. There's one by Milk that I really love, but we're talking about my empties right now. So I love this one. I think it's around $65 and it is definitely worth it. I highly recommend it. I've talked about it a ton. This isn't really a makeup product, but I went ahead and just put it in this category because I wasn't sure. This is a Tula Glow and Get It stick. I love this, whether I'm wearing makeup or not, it just makes the under eye area really, really bright. So it layers really nicely under concealer, or it adds a little touch of brightness when you're not wearing any makeup. So I love that. And then I have two sunscreens. One is the PCA SPF 45. Love this. It has a little bit of tint, so this is perfect for days you're not wearing makeup because it adds just a little something. And then we've got the Blockstar Invisible Daily Sunscreen by Bliss. This is SPF 30. If I remember correctly, I'm gonna be honest, this one wasn't super memorable. So I think I liked it, but didn't love it. Like obviously I used the whole thing, so I liked it. And I don't use the whole thing if I don't like a sunscreen, so you will know. So I liked it, but I don't think I loved it. So it's not on the radar to buy again, but I used it all, so I liked it. Next up, I have 3 jars of like supplements that I wanted to share with you. First are the Tula Balanced Beauty. This is basically a beauty gummy. Again, this is gonna be one of those things that you're not necessarily gonna see the benefit from it. It's just a matter of kind of like taking care of you. So is this on my list to buy again? No, but you know, if it came in a package or you know, something, would I buy them again or use them again? Absolutely. Now these on the other hand, I'm obsessed with. You know how much I love my CBD, and I actually do have a coupon code for these as well. These are the daily gummies. I use these for sleep and I love them. You can see I've gone through 2 jars. Highly recommend this CBD. It is one of my absolute favorites. Like I said, I have a coupon code, so I'll link these down below. They do have other CBD products. So if you don't like the gummy, you know, formula, there are other products that I use from them as well, but this is just the one that I use for sleep, so I use it on a regular basis. Next up, let's dive into the body products. I've got 3 deodorants to share with you. 2 of them are the Donna Karan Cashmere Mist. I've talked about this one. It's currently on sale, so if you're wanting to try this, I would grab it now. I'll link it down below. And one of them is the Necessaire, the deodorant. One of my favorites, natural, aluminum free, fragrance free. I do the fragrance free one, but they do have a eucalyptus. So I'll link these both down below. Both are just highly recommended for me. As far as body washes, I have 3 of my Necessaire body washes. These are my favorites, and I do have a coupon code for these as well, so I'll link them down below. I believe it's for 10% off. These are all in the eucalyptus, I think. The eucalyptus is my favorite. So I just really love this. It's very, very gentle, and I love the packaging. I also have this one by Kiehl's. This is more of a oil to foam body wash. I liked it, but it's not on my radar to buy again. But I did use it all, and I did like it. I thought it felt really nice on the skin. It didn't suds up a lot, but it got kind of milky, which, you know, it felt nice. Next up is the Coco Mademoiselle body wash. You guys know this is my absolute favorite, like #1 classic like perfume. So I splurged one day and I bought the shower gel. I liked it. Will I buy it again? Absolutely. Will it be something that I shower in every single day? No, it's just ridiculously expensive. And then I also really like this one. If you're looking for a drugstore body wash, this is one of my favorites by Dr. Teal's. It is the Sleep Blend with melatonin and essential oils. It just smells amazing. Almost forgot this shower gel. This is by Jurlique. It is their Rose Softening Shower Gel. I love the smell of rose. So did I enjoy this? I did. It's not on my radar to buy again, but I did really enjoy this product. We've got an empty of my favorite body exfoliator, also by Necessaire, also in the eucalyptus scent. Don't forget, I do have a coupon code for all Necessaire products. And speaking of Necessaire, I've got an empty of their body lotion. This one is unscented. I really, really like this. It just feels amazing on the skin. Another body lotion that I have is by Kiehl's. I also really, really like this one and highly recommend it. I think it's on sale right now, so I'll link it down below. But again, don't forget I have a coupon code for the Necessaire products. Then I have 3 OC body oils and 2 OC body balms. I love these. Highly recommend them. They're just one of my favorite. It feels just, it's like a spa at home. You'll love these. They're amazing. I highly, highly recommend these two OC products. And the last category that we're gonna dive into is hair products. We're gonna go and start with dry shampoos first. First, we have this smaller size of the Kerastase Fresh Affair. I liked it. It's not on my radar to buy a full size, but I did enjoy it, so I did use it up. Next up is the one by Living Proof. This is one of my favorites. It's kind of like a medium weight dry shampoo, good for every day. You're not gonna get a lot of buildup in the scalp. And then last up, I have two of my IGK dry shampoos. These are the best. Like, they're seriously the best. If you get one dry shampoo, I really like them. I don't know. I go back and forth between the Living Proof and this one because some days I prefer the Living Proof and some days I prefer the IGK. I will say I reach for the IGK more, but today I use the Living Proof. So there you have it. They're my top two. Okay, let's dive into some repair slash mask products. For the hair, we've got two of the Olaplex number 3. These are hair masks, but not hydrating hair masks. So these are more for bond building. I use them once, sometimes twice a week. I've got 2 empties there. I also have the number 8, which is their new hydrating hair mask. So this is like a traditional hair mask. So it is hydrating. I do really, really like this one. Speaking of hydrating hair masks, I've got 3. I try to do these at least once a week, and I've got a lot of hair, so I put a ton of products. So I do go through masks quite a bit. We've got the Moroccan oil one, liked it. I will totally buy this one again. It's really, really, really hydrating, super, super hydrating. Then we've got the Amika one. This is the Cure. This is one of my favorite brands when it comes to hair products lately. You're not gonna see a ton of products from them now, but more probably my next empties, you'll start to see more from this particular brand. I really did like this mask as well. And this is one of my all-time favorite hair masks. So you can actually use this 2 different ways. You can use it as a hair mask like once or twice a week. It's amazing. Or you can use it as an everyday conditioner. I love it for both. Highly recommend this. And I do have a coupon code for this one. It's from Colleen Rothschild. And then we've got 2 of the Olaplex number 0. This is kind of like a treatment that you put on before you wash, before you put on number 3. It's just kind of intensifies your, your treatment. And then we've got, this is like an all-in-one heat protectant, detangler, like it's like 21 things in one. It is from Pureology, another one of my favorite brands when it comes to hair products. It's just a multitasking leave-in spray. Love this, highly, highly recommend this. And last up, we've got some shampoos and conditioners. First up is this set by Pureology, one of my favorites. Highly recommend this for basically every single hair type. It just makes my hair feel so, so good. Manageable, it styles well. I just love this shampoo and conditioner. I also highly recommend if you do not shampoo, I shampoo twice a week. So I like to use a detox shampoo, and this is one of my favorites by Way. It's just a detoxifying shampoo. So it's really, really gonna clean your scalp. So I like to do this one before I do the set of shampoo and conditioner. So basically you double shampoo and it just allows your scalp to get a better clean. And this is just one of my favorite ways to do that. We also have the Olaplex number 4 and number 5 shampoo and conditioner. I feel like people either love this or hate this, but I also think a lot of people are using them wrong. This is not a traditional shampoo and conditioner. You should not be using this every single time you shampoo and condition. It is a treatment shampoo and conditioner. Depending on how often you shampoo and condition throughout the week, you should only be using this once a week, maybe even every other week, again, depending on how often you shampoo and condition. So it does take me a while to go through these because I don't use them that often. You don't want, if anything, it can be damaging to your hair if you use it too often. Then we have the Redken Extreme Lengths shampoo. I can't remember if the conditioner is still in my shower or what, but this is another product that I recommend if you have longer hair like mine. It's got biotin in it, and I feel like it just does a really, really good job cleaning, but also, you know, strengthening my hair. And then another product by Pureology is this Color Fanatic Multitasking Deep Conditioning Treat. It's a deep conditioning mask. I use this as a mask, but honestly, I mask with my conditioners all the time. So I kind of consider all my conditioners masks. So this I basically just used as a conditioner. But that is it as far as hair products. So there you have it. Lots and lots of empties. Like I said, everything will be linked down below in the order that I share it, as well as in categories. I'll try to make it as easy as possible to find these products. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amanda. I do lots of fashion, luxury, and lifestyle videos here on my channel. So make sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future videos. Before you head out, make sure to watch one of these, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.